This is episode 3 of Bite Sized SWE. Today we're talking about communication, more specifically work communication. There's a very common behavior that a lot of people have that makes their lives and those that they're chatting with so much more difficult than it needs to be. What is this pattern, you say? It's the habit of starting chats with hey or hey, can I ask you a question? Let's unpack this for a second and think why this is so terrible. When you start conversations like this, you're wasting everyone's time. The chain of events is something like this. You send hey or hello, they respond back hi, you chat, chit chat, blah, 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 they respond, you then ask whatever it was you wanted in the first place, and they eventually respond. The time difference between when you originally messaged them and when you got the response grows with every message. If someone is busy or not just sitting in work chat, then every round trip just adds time and slows you down. When you need something or want to ask a question, just ask for it outright. It's not rude to do so, just go for it. You can still say hey or whatever pleasantry you'd like and then just proceed with the question, but just get it over with. Ask what you want to ask and then the person can reply and give you the information you need. No need to waste their time or your own. I see a lot of interns or junior engineers doing this. I can understand that maybe you feel that you're bothering the other person or you're asking too much of them, but in reality, you end up just wasting more of their time than necessary. Don't make the other person wait so that you can phrase your questions. Just drop the message in and let them respond in their own time. This way, you make the conversation async. You ask, they respond at some point. Forcing someone into a synchronous conversation can seriously disrupt their flow or take their time away, and that's when you just end up getting left on red. Be direct, just ask your question, don't beat around the bush. It helps nobody and only lowers both you and the person you are messaging's productivity. That's it for Bite Sized SWE 3. Do you agree or disagree? Do you say hey or do you just get straight to the point? Let me know in the comments down below. Got a topic you want me to cover in the next one? Leave it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.